So today Subway have challenged us to invent our own sport.
And Aaron and I have come up with a great one.
A winner.
So did myself and Johanna.
Yes, I made the best team win.
Us. Clearly us. So
Clearly us. So, oh.
You didn't win one yet.
me and Scola have come up with the best idea ever. Selfie stick football. The aim of the game is to score goals backwards. You can only look through your phone and your back must be facing the ball at all times. So we are in our teams. This is me and Scola's vision. Selfie stick football. Let's do this.
No, my eyes! I can't.
Go!
He's actually... No.
Oh, that's it.
That's easily in.
Where are you?
I'm on your team.
Where's the ball?
To me, to you.
To me! To me!
Go, Stuart.
There's a shin pad. Yes!
Well, that was pretty easy.
Honestly, it's our game. How are we losing?
I don't like Aaron. He healed me into the knee twice.
He's violent.
I'll get Kian. He's aggressive.
Yep.
You get Johanna.
Yeah.
We need 2 goals. Let's do this.
We have to do this.
Scola just isn't really in the game yet.
I've yet to see her.
Yeah, she's just... Where is she?
It's 1-on-2.
We can't hear you, you know. Keep it down if you're going to slag us
Shut
off.
up, you had your turn, yeah?
Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, we'll see you on the pitch.
You want to go win?
Yeah, let's go win.
Go on.
Oh, skills! I got it.
Kick her, Scholar.
Get out of the way!
Present rules, man.
Whoa!
Johanna, where are you?
Skills! No!
Go on, Scholar!
No.
Yay!
Come on. He is facing the ball. Is that a foul?
Shut up!
Go!
Yes! In your face!
Winning!
In your face!
How did that happen? How did we do that? We lost 2. We were up 2, now we're down 2. Wait,
Haggled.
there's 30 seconds left, okay?
You can do a lot in 30 seconds.
I think we've got this.
We've definitely got it.
Go, Scholar,
Why
go,
can't I
Scholar.
ever see the ball?
Yes! Take him out! Yeah! That's it, high five.
So you guys just won the game that you invented.
Smashed it, by the way.
So now it's time to play by our rules.
Yeah, we came up with a game called Splash Dunk.
Splash Dunk is a simple game. You get as many water balloons in the opposing team's net to win. 5 minutes to get the most water balloons into your opponent's helmets while avoiding them throwing balloons into yours.
You got it in! You're so selfish!
Replay!
Oh my God!
Watch out, Scholar! Oh, she has 1 left.
I like
There was
to
like
point out
5 in there
that
at one stage.
many a balloons fell out of your helmets.
Kian's injured, everyone.
Oh my God!
He's crying.
I'm gonna die.
That was a good game,
It
but
was a good game.
I saw cheating.
No!
So much
I
cheating.
swear.
Where?
There was no cheat. What are you talking
You
about?
had
so many balloons.
Honestly,
Yeah, they fell out.
wait. Can I see the footage back? Because she definitely done a headbutt to the air and they all fell out.
Okay, let's watch
Yes.
it. Let's see this.
Straight away. Here we go. There it is.
Yeah.
Johanna.
What are you doing?
Yes. See, look. You've even let your teammate down.
That seriously was not fair.
Out of order.
We definitely won.
What?
There has to be a forfeit for this.
I know exactly what we can do. It's the firing squad. Ready? Aim. Go!
Get him. My socks are wet, my day is over. I don't feel very happy. Nor do I feel dry. I got a boo-boo.
So that was a crazy day inventing our own sports.
I feel bad for Kian.
It's okay. It only hurt a little.
Make sure you check out our next challenge because we don't even know what that is yet.
Oh man.
It's a mystery.
Thank you so much for watching. To create your own Subsquad, download the Subsquad app. Details below. To see more videos that you're going to love from us, click these links.